Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the laptop so the Android emulator can run smoothly. Enable CPU virtualization in BIOS, install Android Studio, and use the SDK Manager to fetch an image that explicitly lists Google Play. Once done, launch AVD Manager and pick a device profile. Make sure the target image column shows the Play Store badge. This step is the only reliable path to get Google Play on a non-Chrome OS laptop, because those images include Google services and the Play app built in. Now you create and configure the virtual device. In AVD Manager, choose Create Virtual Device, pick a hardware profile, then select the Play Store-enabled image. Allocate enough CPU and RAM, 2 or more cores and a couple gigabytes of RAM to keep performance usable. Once the AVD exists, edit Advanced Settings, set graphics to hardware or auto, enable network, and map shared folders if you want to transfer files. These choices affect app compatibility and speed, so tune them before launching. Boot the emulator and open the Play Store. You'll sign in with your Google account just like on a phone. Once signed in, install apps normally or sideload APKs using a DB install if needed. When done, test app behavior and performance. If Play Store is not available or crashes, stop the AVD, choose a different Play-enabled system image, and ensure Google APIs are included. Also verify virtualization and emulator updates. That single troubleshooting step resolves most failures and gets you back running quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.